Okay, let's see. Today we'll be learning about absorption and assimilation. First, let's take a look at the anatomy of small intestine first. So if I have, small intestine look like this. The inner region of the small intestine looks something like this. Okay, so if I were to magnify this thingy here, over here, it will look something like this. Out of this, there are small villus like this. So if I can magnify, they look something like this. So out of this, say here, I magnify it. This one I magnify into this. This one I magnify into something that look like this. This is your villus. Okay, you get the idea? This is your small intestine. The surface look like this. And then out of this structure here, out of this structure here, you have this structure. So this structure is like this one. Again, Amina?
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll be focusing on villus. Villus is singular. Villi is plural. Inside the villus, you have structure look like this. We call it the lacteal. Blood vessels coming in. So this red thingy is your capillaries. This blue thingy here is your lacteal. So capillaries are blood vessels. These capillaries will absorb water-soluble nutrients. While lacteal will absorb fat-soluble nutrients. So what are the water-soluble nutrients? You start with carbohydrate. The basic unit of carbohydrate is glucose. Basic unit of protein, amino acid. Basic unit of fats, glycerol, fatty acids. Then we have mineral salts. All mineral salts are soluble in water. And then lastly, of course, water itself and vitamins. There are quite a lot of vitamins. In this case, vitamin A is fat soluble. Vitamin B is water soluble. Vitamin C is water soluble. Vitamin D, vitamin E. So you see A, B, C, D, E. We don't have F. We have K. Okay, so these are the water-soluble nutrients and fat-soluble nutrients that you need to take note. They will follow different pathway. Okay, Amina?
Yeah.
So this is about what is being absorbed. So I will erase this. Do you want to copy this down?
No,
You don't want to copy this down? Can you copy this down?
I already took a screenshot of the.
Oh, okay, okay, can. So basically, the blood vessels from capillaries, because it's capillary, eventually it'll become a small venule, which is a small vein. Then it'll become a vein. So this vein is what we call the hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein connects the small intestine to the liver. So you go to venule, then go to vein, then go to liver. So that is why it is okay for you to take large amount of carbohydrate and large amount of protein, because eventually a spike in glucose and a spike in amino acids will be dealt by liver. Liver will then make sure that their number is their blood glucose level is constant before sending it to the whole body. It will also regulate the amount of amino acid in the in the blood before sending it out to the whole body. But for lactyle will go to the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system is not like liver. There's no regulation. So if you take large amount of fats, you cannot regulate the amount of fats in your blood. You end up with a lot of fats in your blood if you ingest or eat a lot of fats. So this is bad, because although it doesn't go straight into your capillaries, eventually it will go back into your blood system by passing through what we call the subclavian vein, which is somewhere here. Subclavian vein is the vein below your collarbone. So some sort of like it is quite near your heart. So in that case, if you take large amount of fats, you end up in the lymphatic system. Then after that, you join into your blood vessels somewhere near your heart. So your heart will suffer a lot, because there's a lot of fat in the blood going towards the heart. So you end up with a lot of deposition of fats, and then end up with heart attack. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
So take note, those water-soluble nutrients is fine, because your liver will make sure that the concentration of those water-soluble nutrients are not too high before sending it to the body. But those fat-soluble, you cannot control, because it doesn't pass through the liver for regulation. Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Can you hear a song behind the background? Can you hear? Yes, Amina? There's a...
I can hear.
You can hear.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, I'm back. Can you hear the background noise now?
No.
Okay. Next, we'll be learning about the structure of the villus that helps in its function. So the structure of villus would be here. You can check the villus is actually one cell thick. One cell thick will reduce the distance required to travel. Okay, number two, it has dense network of capillary. Dense network of capillaries would result in maintenance. You will maintain concentration gradient between the nutrients, between the lumen of the small intestine and also the capillaries. So that means the difference is always there. Okay, you have high concentration of nutrients and low concentration of nutrients over here. So it will result in higher rate of diffusion. So this is how you maintain concentration gradient. Can? Yeah, so
does the alcohol breaking down come under you?
sorry again.
Does the alcohol the breaking down of the alcohol process come under this?
No, no. The breaking down of alcohol comes under the function of liver. The function of liver, if I'm not mistaken, it should be at your 4.1 notes. There are
Because my
seven
teacher said
functions. There are 7 functions of liver. One of them is remove toxic, detoxification. So detoxification of alcohol by using a certain enzyme is under the function of liver. This one is villus, which is different from the liver. Okay, so and then remember here, the cells, the epithelial cells contain microvilli. So there are microvilli, and there are numerous villi as well. This will increase surface area to increase the rate of absorption of nutrients. Okay, Ken?
Okay.
So basically, this is most of it. These are the 3 structure of villus. Ken? So
Okay.
okay.